Put some garlic powder. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. I am gonna put a little cayenne. Y'all doing all right? I'm gonna give it a good mix. You don't want to season them too much because I'm gonna put my sauce on it. Just want to season them just enough. Just enough. I'm gonna grill them and I'm gonna make a sauce. What up? What up? So this is how we looking right now. Somebody looking back. Somebody looking back. Cooking for a lot of people. My family. 5 people. My family. What y'all eating on? What y'all eating tonight? Doing wonderful, thank you. It's good to hear, Edward. It's good to hear. So I got my wings seasoned and ready to go. Set these over here. Throw this away, and I'm gonna clean my little area. I usually have my browners, but guess I done ran out. I've been good, chilling, making moves, working on content, figuring out stuff on TikTok. I just came on here to see what y'all was doing. I've been on TikTok live too, so. So after I, what was that say? Pork chops and mashed potatoes and gravy, sounds wonderful. Yep, wings again. My family love these wings. You know what? I kind of skipped a couple of days because yesterday we didn't eat. What did we eat yesterday? yesterday. It was like the day before yesterday. We ate wings. Y'all just seem to catch me on live every time I'm in. I end up doing wings. But yesterday, I made tacos. We ate tacos and spaghetti. But yeah, they tear those wings up. Make the sauce. So you hear, Mom, you gonna make those wings? You making wings today? So I'm gonna grill these wings up and making my sauce and all that good stuff gonna be on TikTok. So the last part of this video gonna be on TikTok. I just stopped by. I just stopped on in on Facebook, see what y'all was doing since I ain't been on here in a while. Thank ya. Thank y'all. All right, well, I'm gonna throw my wings on. I'm gonna throw my wings on. And I'll finish up the other stuff on TikTok. I'll see y'all over there, right? The link should be on my page somewhere, my TikTok link. I'll be live again tonight. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.